Adele's cancelled Las Vegas residency gigs will cost Caesars Palace £110 million if she never returns, a Lorraine star has claimed. ITV showbiz correspondent Ross King appeared live from Los Angeles to discuss the singer's recently cancelled shows, and her relationship being on the rocks. 2. Ross revealed the potential damage to Caesars' finances by the cancellation credit, ITV. 2. Adele cancelled her shows at the Las Vegas venue earlier this month. Credit, Instagram. Adele, 33, is said to have spent the past week holed up at her boyfriend's home trying to save their relationship after time apart hugely strained it. The Sun exclusively revealed how she and sports agent Rich Paul, who started dating last year, had been struggling to see each other recently. The star had been caught up trying to save her weekends with shows before cancelling the 24-date residency at Caesars Palace hours before her debut. ITV host Lorraine, 62, virtually sat down with journalist Ross, 59, to discuss the boyfriend news when he opened up about the losses for Caesars. The journalist detailed the eye-watering figure the hotel and casino would have thrown away should Adele never return there. The latest alleged report that all is not well with her boyfriend Rich Paul, Ross began. They are saying that's part of the reason she pulled out of the gigs. No confirmation of that. What I can confirm though is that sources in Vegas, they have been telling me that Terry's a whole host of things that didn't go well. Caesars Palace desperately want the gigs to go ahead because if they don't they are going to lose something like $150 million, £111 million. They really want it to happen and they are saying they are doing all they can to make it happen, so it's kind of now all on Adele's side. I have to say, out here they are not particularly confident that those Vegas dates will go ahead. Let's hope that they do in the end. It comes as Adele pulled the plug on her planned Brits performance, leaving bosses scrambling to make arrangements for the ceremony on February 8. A source said, Adele was confirmed to perform on the night, but has now pulled out, which has been a massive blow for the organizers. They are talking to her team to see if she can appear by video link. It's a massive headache but they want her involved in any way she will agree. The Sun on Sunday revealed Adele was due to sing at her first Brits gig in 5 years before she cancelled with weeks to go. The source went on, it seems there were concerns of another backlash if she'd performed on the Brits so soon after calling off her Vegas shows last minute. That decision has understandably caused a great deal of disappointment and, in the wake of that, Adele and her team decided to call off her Brits performance.